Friends, welcome to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Today what we have with us, this is the latest Zoom G5n multi-effect processor. As you can look from the packaging, it looks like a beast. It's not, it's actually the beast. So here we can see it's written for VR for creators. So I will show you the 360 view of this box. As you can see in the back, let me turn around. This is the back panel, so it looks quite good. Okay, let me unbox this for you. Turning around, I'm going to open it for the first time, so I'm quite curious what it looks like exactly. So as you can see, oh my god, I'm opening. Oh my god, it's okay. One more packaging. Okay, just give me a minute and I will be done with this packaging and all. Okay, from where I need to open it up? Okay, I need to lift this up. So as you can see, this is the adapter, the power supply, you can say. The output gives us the DC 9 volt and 0.5 ampere. Okay, let's have a look inside. Well, this is the adapter. Okay, it's quite small. As you can see. Well, it's portable and quite small. So keeping this power supply from where it was, okay, keeping it aside. So now it's time to open up the beast. Okay, well, it's quite heavy. Yeah, really, it's quite heavy. So here it comes, the beast, the Zoom Z5 and multi-effect processor. It's quite flashy. As you can see, the design, it's very good and it's only made by the professionals. So here, this is the tuner button. As you can see, let me focus it for you. This is the tuner button. This is the scroll button, and this is again the scroll button. This is the memory, or you can say the stomp, or you can see the looper one. So this is the wow pedal. So there are multiple displays around here. This is for the effects and all. These are all the foot switches. These are four foot switches here. One more thing, this is the master level volume pedal. This is the output booster volume, and this is the tone, and this is the signal that switches on whenever the pedal is on. So let me turn around it. So after turning around, this is the pins, this is the input lines, these are the all the input lines. DC 9 volts, this is the power on off switch, USB, that means from here you can download the new tones and all. This is the control, download the new patches, or you can see the sound effects. So this is the control in, and these three are the output lines. So the left, right, this plug also, this output pin also serves as for mono output. These are all from mono outputs, or you can say the headphones. So this is the aux input line, and this is one more input line which is coming from the guitar. So this is the Zoom. Let me show you the back side of this product. So as you can see, it is well furnished, and the quality of the product is, it's hard plastic, and the lower casing is stainless steel, or you can say metal. And now I am going to switch it on my Zoom Z5n. So as you can see, there is a Zoom written, and this is the Z5n, and these are all the tracks, or you can see the sounds. This is last acoustic, live again, and different tones. So this was what Zoom Z5n multi-effect processor. I hope you like the video. So I will be uploading the videos after reviewing this product. That means how exactly it sounds and how well it performs when you play it. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe and press the like button, and do share. Thank you. Have a nice day.